I don't know if you guys remember, but a few nights ago, I told you guys about a little war that's going on behind the scenes between different massive players in the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and overall crypto market. And we're only getting some small glimpses here, but there's some massive stuff going on here that's great. If you're a bull on Bitcoin long-term, a bull on Ethereum long-term, or a believer in crypto in general. And this is a step in the right direction. And I want to explain this, okay? So, now, this is horrible news for Coinbase. Coinbase rival cuts Bitcoin trading fees to zero. A price war could be next. A price war to trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies may be about to break out, posing trouble for Coinbase. Binance, one of the largest crypto exchanges, slashed commissions to zero for trading Bitcoin against the dollar. The company eliminated fees to trade Bitcoin against Tether, USD, Coin, its proprietary token Binance USD. The latter three tokens are stable coins that aim to maintain their peg to $1. Binance also announced a new tiered pricing structure and said it plans to add more coins to the free trading tier. Now, this is a disaster for Coinbase. If you didn't know, Coinbase brought in $2.2 billion in revenue from just transaction fees in a 3-month span in Q4. In a 3-month span, that company made $2.2 billion of revenue, okay? Now, what's going to play out here, and I want to explain this from two different fronts. The first is, this is very similar to what happened in the stock market space. And Robinhood, I know Robinhood gets a lot of crap nowadays and people make fun of Robinhood, but Robinhood was a game-changing player because they made it essentially you had no fees to buy stocks. Prior to Robinhood, and I think we kind of almost take them for granted nowadays, right? But prior to Robinhood, you used to have to pay every single time you bought a stock. You used to have to pay like $5 to $10 on average. When I first got started in the stock market, it was $19.95 every single time I placed a trade, okay? And so in the crypto space, everybody's been making all this money, all these crypto brokerages, exchanges, whatever, right? They've been making a lot of money off their customers from every time they buy or sell a crypto. And now they're in a situation where a price war is about to break out and they're all going to have to go to zero on this over time, and it's going to be player after player, similar to how Robinhood was the first. They started taking all these customers, and then all of a sudden TD Ameritrade had to go to zero, Fidelity had to go to zero, Charles Schwab, everybody had to go to zero. That's like, you had to do that to stay competitive. The same exact thing is going to happen in the crypto space now over the next 1 to 2 years. Now, this is great news for anybody that's a bull on Bitcoin or Ethereum or other cryptos long term, because this is going to open up the market even more so. Think about myself when I first got started in the stock market, and I only had like, let's say $200 or $500 to buy with a stock at a time. And that $20 fee got taken each time, right? I never got to really get that $500 of a stock. I got to get $480 of a stock. Then when I sold, I had to pay that fee as well. So in the crypto space, every single time these brokerages or exchanges are making money in between there, right? And they get to take those fees, collect those fees, and essentially that eats up customers' money at the end of the day, right? That's less money that could actually be going into that crypto. It's less money that could be going in that Bitcoin or that Ethereum or whatever, right? And so long term, this is a phenomenal thing for anybody that owns Bitcoin and Ethereum. But short term, it's going to mean all these brokerages and exchanges are going to have to go to zero over the next 1 to 2 years to stay competitive, or they're going to have a hard time making business, because customers just will be like, wait, I have to pay a fee to buy Bitcoin? I have to pay a fee when I sell Bitcoin? Are you kidding me? Like, it's like in the stock market space, we can't even conceive of like having to pay a $5 fee nowadays or a $20 fee and things like that. Now, there's other ways they'll be able to make money, but for right now, it's an ugly situation for folks like Coinbase. It's going to be, but it's going to be long-term great for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Just wanted to update you guys on this. I hope you enjoy me just keeping you guys up to date on things that are going on that are very important things that maybe aren't front page stuff, but this is very important stuff. So I appreciate you guys joining me. Much love as always, and have a great day.